In this problem, the product of three positive integers is 6 times their sum. One of the integers is equal to the sum of the other two, and we have to find the sum of all possible distinct product of these integers. Here, one of the integers is equal to the sum of the other two, which means if the two integers are x and y, third will be x plus y. It is given that the product of the three integers is 6 times their sum, which means x into y into x plus y is 6 times of x plus y plus x plus y. X into y, x plus y will be equal to 12 x plus y. Since x plus y cannot be 0, as it is given that the numbers are positive integers, which which means x y has to be equal to 12, and they are integers, so possible pairs of x y will be 1 12, 2 6, and 3 4. Therefore the three numbers are either 1 12 13, 2 6 8, or 3 4 7. Product of 1 12 13 will be 156, and that of 2 6 8 will be 96, and of 3 4 7 will be 84. So the sum of these three numbers will be equal to 336. Therefore option A is the correct answer.